Okay, welcome. I'm going to show you how to learn the letter notes on the piano and then how to play a song from our primer level lesson book from the Faber series. This is the second edition, although I've seen updates to this book that are not reflected in the edition. So the song might be a little different, but probably the music and the lesson is the same. So there are 7 letters on the piano. My star is middle C. More on that later. So use the black notes that you've been learning through this book to find the letter notes. Notice there's groups of 2 black notes and 3 black notes, 2 and 3, and they just repeat. So around the 2 black notes, you have C, D, and E. Let me say that again. This is C, this is D, this is E. And if I find another group of 2 black notes, it's still C, D, and E. So work on memorizing those. The song that they have you play in this book next is called Balloons, but it's just playing those 3 notes going up the piano. And I like to have students play them and then say them as they play them, C, D, E, and then they go back the other way and play E, D, C, E, D, C. I don't even worry about these half notes and quarter notes. You can play that if you like, but the most important part is finding those groups and knowing the letters. So I'm going to skip ahead a little bit and tell you that the other 4 notes we didn't play around the 3 black notes are F, G, A, and B, but you will learn those later in the book. So the song that they teach you is Merrily We Roll Along, and instead of using 3 black notes with these 3 fingers, we're going to use these 3 white notes that we learned, C, D, and E. So it doesn't matter which group you put them on, just put them next to each other so that you're not too spread out. And we start with the right hand, following the finger numbers, E, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Then the other hand, I'll say the letter names this time. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, D, E, D, C. So as you can see, I can learn this song by finger numbers, and I can also learn it by letters. Since we're just learning the letters, I would focus on the letters. So again, that song starts on an E with your right hand, and we play E, down to D, down to C, back to D, up to E, E again, repeat your E, and hold for 2 counts, down to D, repeat, 2 counts, and then up to E, 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 2 counts. Then the other hand. D, E, 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 D, D, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4, because of our whole note. Okay, please like and subscribe and share this video. Let me know if you have any questions. It's just a quick overview to help you get started on Merrily We Roll Along. Have fun.